Hello, my friend. Today I am very excited to say I will be testing out Culture Hustle's new black mirror paint. I have already done a review for their mirroriest mirror paint, so this should be a real treat. For this video, I am going to paint a ceramic unicorn. I am so excited to see how this turns out, so let's get started. Okay, so I've got a handy dandy paint bucket tool for my adorable tiny paint bucket. I also have a mask because when I use the world's mirroriest mirror chrome paint, I often use a mask since I'm working down in a basement and I don't have a lot of ventilation. So it might be handy to have one by just in case you need one too. Now that my mask is on, I hope you can still hear me. Let's open the paint. Ooh, it's so dark and spooky. I should put on gloves. Okay, I've got my gloves and I grabbed a big popsicle stick. Let's see. It's so cool. It's like the stick disappeared inside it, and yet I can see a really cool reflection of the light above me. So cool. All right, I've already pre-shaken my container. I'm just gonna stir it a little to play with it a bit. Oh no. It's definitely got that same powerful scent that the regular mirror paint has. So it's very, very wise to have a mask and a fan, maybe an open window. But now that we know what we're dealing with, I am just so stoked. Let's paint this unicorn. Oh my goodness, look at this unicorn. It has been 2 days since I started painting. This stuff works a lot like their regular mirror chrome paint in the fact that you want to do it in 2 thin coats and let it dry completely between the coats. So it took a couple of hours for each layer to dry. Now it is beautifully dry, so smooth. It's like holding a beautiful metallic black piece of space metal. just amazing. Now, speaking of the regular mirror chrome paint, I have here for comparison a unicorn painted in the world's mirroriest mirror chrome paint. And the two of them together just creates quite the picture. They're both so beautiful, so mirrory. They both look like they're made out of metal. Just absolutely stunning. Wow. Well, my friend, that's all for today's review. This black mirror paint is so awesome. I cannot wait to use it on more stuff in the future. If there's anything you'd like to see painted with this black mirror paint, I would love to hear from you in the comments below. And this paint is just wicked cool. I really hope that this has inspired you to want to go out and try this black mirror paint by Culture Hustle for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Have a magical day.